Hello everyone, I'm here at Infopark Kakkanad and I'm excited to share our recent project, a custom designed pond for Caspian Tecca Park. It's more than just a water feature. This carefully designed pond provides a space for relaxation from the busy working day that connects you to nature right outside office. Seriously, the final result was stunning. To enhance its beauty, we added some selected imported fish. Now, if you're considering a similar addition to your business or residence, contact Foscape to bring nature to you.